Hello guys, review Realme C71, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Okay, in the white color device, white Swan 8256 RMX 5303. Open box and look completion. We have 6000 mAh battery, 45W fast charge, IP64, ultra slim thickness, and 120 Hz refresh rate display. Very good characteristics. Look, this design, double camera and LED. On this side, slot for SIM card and SIM card and micro SD card. Power button, wall buttons on this side. Type C, speaker, microphone and headphone jack on the downside. Okay, protected cover in completion and adapter for charging and Type C cable. Okay, good. Turn on device. We have display 6.7 inch IPS HD plus resolution, 120 Hz. Open settings. We have Android 15 and Realme UI. Looks good. Okay, and open tests. Open Geekbench. Single core score and multi-core score results. We have CPU Unisoc T7250 and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results, okay. And run demanded games, PUBG Mobile, and wait. Game load. Okay, game load. And look how this game works on the device. Graphics. We have graphics on the low graphic level or medium graphic level. Okay, not bad for this cost device, for this price device. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.